Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send from MetaMask to Binance. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up both MetaMask and Binance. Now, once you're in here under MetaMask, okay, just click on Send. Now, go ahead and select your wallet. Okay, make sure that you're under the Send tab. Send to, just leave it blank for now. Select the asset that you would like to send, for example, Bitcoin or BTC. Okay, select from one of your assets right here. And after that, go ahead and enter the amount. Okay, and once that's done, just leave it open. Okay, go ahead and go to Binance right here and click on your wallet right here at the top. Now click on Overview. Okay, in here, go ahead and click on Deposit. Now go ahead and click on Deposit Crypto. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, select the coin. For example, you have selected right here Bitcoin. So we're going to select Bitcoin here as well. BTC, select the network. It could be a BSC or BNB Smart Chain or just Bitcoin. Okay, click on OK. Right here, copy the code or scan the QR code if you're using a mobile device. Just copy it, paste it from here under Send To. And then once done, click on Send. Okay, it says invalid right here because I don't have any asset from MetaMask. Okay, if you do have one, it wouldn't say invalid asset. So just gotta click on Send, and after that, the crypto you once had from MetaMask will be transferred to your Binance account. That is it. That is how you send from MetaMask to Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.